Hello everyone, welcome to Gold TV. I beg if today na your first time to watch my video, not forget to hit the subscribe button and remember to press notification bell so that anytime I just upload new video, you go be the first person wey go dey aware. For those of una wey don already subscribe, thank you very much. And you wey never see subscribe, I beg try make you subscribe, because if you not subscribe, wetin you gain? In this channel I dey upload different type of video based on wetin dey go on for inside Nigeria, and I also dey give motivational talk. Believe me, you get so much to learn from this my YouTube channel. So today, my people out there, my fellow Nigerians, I wan talk concerning this Independence Day, where so many of our Nigeria people dey bold to celebrate. In fact, wetin dey worry some of our Nigeria people? What's so special about this Independence Day, where some of una dey come out for social media today, they celebrate happy Independence Day? Is it not time for you people to realize that Nigeria needs serious prayer? After 59 years, when Nigeria don't take get independence, wetin they don't achieve, wetin they fit dey bold of say, okay, they don't do after these certain years. Na light, na they go dey boast of, na good road, na good hospitals, abi na good school, abi na job for the university graduate, or if a good infrastructure. Wetin Nigeria get to offer the youth, the citizen of Nigerians? Rather, wetin the politicians, the leaders they do, that they embezzle the money out of that country, looting the money, taking it to different parts of the world, and use it to get asset for themselves, and use it to prepare a better future for their generation, for their children, for their wife. Una no dey sit down dey think all dis thing, my people. Una know say na the right time be this for all Nigeria citizens to voice for that country, to stand up and take their country back. Enough is enough. Because if una no fit voice now, my dear, e go dey very hard o. We dey only dey feel sorry for those ones wey get no hope. For those ones wey be say they don't finish university, they finish their university, but today many of them don't have job. Many they carry certificates, their degree from one office to another, no job. To the extent, person will be master degree holder, some they do laborers, some they do conductor, some they do any hard job. Because wetin they go study, the degree of a thing where they carry for hand, they no gree see job. Without you no get connections for that country. If you go university, it's like you just go it for nothing. It's like the money your parents spend for you, or even the money you spend for yourself, it's like you waste time. Person they go higher institution, university, to take have a good job. But nowadays for Nigeria, it's not like that. So many graduates end up even selling things for markets. They not fit get themselves job. Many they die every day from police brutality. All of them, they see what they happen. Many they go for jail because there is no freedom of speech in that country. Una see so worry recently now, where he come out, he want to take Nigeria back. He come out with simple protest, demonstration. He said he need revolution. Wetin end down, they lock him up for jail. Is that not a shame on the leaders? My people had there, I beg, make una know wetin una dey celebrate. I think it is time for so many Nigeria as a whole not to celebrate Independence Day anymore, that October 1st. Instead of you to celebrate October 1st, the best thing for any citizen or any youth need to do, Now for una to gather on ourselves up. It must not be one man thing. It must not be one man protest. From state to state. Now waka go governor house of each state. If you go where president dey, una go protest there for Aso Rock. If una dey stand up for una right, my dear, the government, the president, they go hear word. As today be this October 1st, so wetin suppose for many Nigerians to do na to come out for protests. Una know if one person come out, it's easy for police to get that person arrested. But when a group of people comes out, they have no choice other than to listen to the cry of the youth, to the cry of the citizen. Country where be say the rich they get richer, the poor they get poorer. I feel so much sorry for those less privileged. Yes, that country leaders don't dabaru that country. To the extent the poor doesn't have voice anymore. Bribe and corruption. I be sorry guys. Bribing and corruption full everywhere. Make una see many African countries where Nigeria first get independence before them. Many are doing well for themselves. You want to use Ghana to compare Nigeria? You want to use so many other countries? Even Cotonou here, Abidjan, Mali. Una want to use many of, name it, my people. Do you want to use it to compare Nigeria? And we all call Nigeria the giant of Africa. Where is the sign of giant of Africa now? Giant of Africa become one of the corrupt country. One of the corrupt nation in the whole Africa. Is this not a shame? Is this not a slap to the leaders? I know they don't care. Look what happened recently now for South Africa. Una see any leaders who come out to even sympathize with the family we lost their loved one for South Africa during the time of xenophobia? No. If not be this man where God go bless, the owner of Airpeace, the leader don't give a damn if Nigeria people die in South Africa. After all, does not be their sent then. But do you not think that if Nigeria was great, many people that lost their life over in South Africa, they will be in that Nigeria and be doing well for themselves? Today now, any Nigeria, some Nigeria they come out, they say Happy Independence Day. For me, there is nothing special to celebrate about it. Country where good light no day. In fact, that is why I tell you, say, instead of you to celebrate Independence Day, just celebrate the opportunity where God give you. For you to be able to set up a business for yourself, for you to be able to even buy generator for your house so that you go get constant lights. Celebrate for your own celebration that God have given you that opportunity. And forget about celebrating Independence Day after 59 years. Is that not backwardness? You where they celebrate Independence Day, is it because maybe you have that opportunity that you are not suffering like the way other people, the less privileged, are suffering? The way other youth are suffering? Because you have a good connection to put your children in a better position, to put your family in a better position than Nigeria? Or if not even that, because you know you are embezzling part of Nigeria money for yourself, for the family of your household, you don't even care about the poor ones. Nigerian youth, please, Stand up and fight for your rights. This is the time you all need to stand. This is not the fight of one person. No, 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 no. If you want to see the better Nigeria, the better generation of that Nigeria, please try to take Nigeria back from those corrupt leaders, from those presidents, from those politicians that mean no good to the Nigeria citizen. All what they know is to exploit that money out of that country and use it to invest in the Western world, instead of you to make your country grow. Rather, many of you are buying house in Dubai, buying house in Japan, buying house in UK, saving a lot of your money in the bank, central bank of each country. If not be backwardness, those leaders, they. How many of those Westerners when go they embezzle their money from here, they carry, they go Africa? Nigerians, the youth of Nigeria, the citizens of Nigeria, please stop celebrating the Independence Day. Because Independence Day is not worth celebrating in that country any longer. Gone are those days that many of you did not even realize that Nigeria have failed. The leaders have failed you guys. That is when so many people still continue to celebrate them. But now, many Nigerian eyes have opened. They have seen that majority of them are in dark. 80% or 99%, let me just say 80 or 85, they are living for nothing. A country which there is enough refineries, enough things that can move that country forward, enough resources that the leaders can make money from and use it to build up different companies for the youth to work. Even common cleaner job self, you cannot even get it. If not the sake of some of the private companies that have been opened in Nigeria there. Please, if you know what is good for you, you guys should stop celebrating Independence Day. As I've said before, there is nothing special about the Independence Day for you to celebrate. Celebrate for your own welfare, for your own opportunity that God has given to you, from not dying from starvation, from not dying from police brutality. That is only best you can celebrate, not any other thing. Please, enough is enough. It is time for you all Nigerians, wake up. If the people outside the country are still voicing for you guys, trying to still take that Nigeria back, to make it a better place, to voice for you guys that is still living there, what about you that are still living inside that, what will I call it? And see, you cannot fight for yourself. Sorry, my dear. Please, better act now before it is too late. That is what I have to tell you guys. And I hope I see you in my next video. Put your own opinion, what you think about Nigeria celebrating this independence. Do you think it's worth it? Or do you think it does not worth it? As I've said, put your comments, share the video, and that's it, my people out there. And like, thank you very much. See you in my next video.